How to unmute notes on Instagram. So here we are on Instagram, and first let's mute a note right here. For example, this user, I'm gonna hold and tap on there and tap here on mute notes. Right there and mute notes again. And now that note is now muted from that account or user. So how do we undo that? It's very simple. All you have to do is go into the profile of that user that you would want to unmute the notes in. Profile, right here. And once you're here in their profile, the next thing that you'll be doing is to tap here on the following button. So you want to tap on that and tap here on mute. And simply just turn off the notes toggle right here. Make sure that it is grayed out, just like that. And then now you'd be able to see the notes again when you go into the messages. So let's go back right here. And then let's just refresh. And then as you can see, we are now seeing the note again from that user, which means it has been unmuted successfully. And that's how you do it.